This video we're going to look at how we factorize four terms. So factorizing, remember, is the reverse of expanding brackets. So here you've got an expansion of brackets, 2 upon x plus 3, and then that becomes 2x plus 6. So factorizing is when you go back on yourself for that. Now there's some special types of factorizing here where you've got four terms, and we're going to see how we can factorize this. And this will lead us on to then our factorizing harder quadratics. But in this video, we're just going to look at the first bit, which is factorizing four terms. So you do this by looking at the first two terms and factorizing them completely. Now, if you look at the first two terms, you have ax plus ay. So an a could come outside a bracket, which would give you a upon x plus y. If you look at the next two terms, you've got bx plus by. So b could factorize out of them. So you have b times your x plus y. So what you've got is a common bracket. So the way to do this is write down your common brackets, and then let's think about what's happening in the line above. X plus y is multiplying a. So in the next line, you could just say x plus y is multiplying a, and also x plus y is multiplying b. So in your next line, you could write down a plus b. So you can see we've got the same things here. You've got x plus y is multiplying the a. So here, x plus y is multiplying the a, and the x plus y is multiplying the b. So it's exactly the same as the line above, and that is it, done. Okay, next example, same idea. Factorize the first two terms completely. You have mk plus 2mn, so m can come out, leaving you k plus 2n. And over here, now I'm going to do this in red because this is going to be incorrect, so don't copy this bit down. So what I could do is say, I could see I've got a t is common, so I could take out a plus t. So I'll make that smaller. If I take out a plus t, then what I would have would be minus k minus 2n. And have a look, our brackets are not the same. So you've got to sort of play around with it a wee bit to make sure the brackets are the same. So instead of taking out a plus t, I'm going to take out a minus t. So this is now going to be correct. So minus t comes out, and minus t is multiplying k, and minus t is multiplying plus 2n. And you can see I have the same common bracket. So just like the last example, write down your common bracket. It was k plus 2n. And then what was in front of it? It was multiplying m, and it was multiplying minus t. And that is your answer for that one. So there we have the first two done. Last example, similar one as well. Factorize the first two terms. Okay, what can come out in the first two terms? Oh, nothing can come out in the first two terms. So this sometimes happens. If you look at these first two terms, there's nothing common. So what we maybe need to do is switch these around. So I'm going to just switch around. I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to switch around these middle two terms. So I'm going to write it as AB minus CA minus CD plus DB, and then I'll go from here. So a wee bit trickier, this one. Then I can pull an a outside a bracket, so a upon b minus c. And over here I could pull a d outside a bracket, so I'll pull out a plus d, and I will have minus c plus b. Now it doesn't look like these brackets are the same, but they are. If you think about the second bracket, you could rewrite that second bracket as just b minus c. And then you're in the right same place as you were in the previous examples. Write down your common bracket. It was b minus c, and it was multiplying a, and it was multiplying d, and that is us done.